Hello and welcome back to Spoken Essays. I'm Harshal and the camera is not available. Just a second, let me look into this. Interesting. Okay. I think you guys will be able to see me now. Yes. I hope so. Okay. Hello. Hello and welcome back to Spoken Essays. Oh my god. Yeah, it's daylight. That's why you guys are not able to see. Oh my god. I'll be right back. Just a second. Hello people, I'm sorry about that. Okay. Interesting. The network maybe, yeah, the network may be causing problems, but I think we can get started. Okay. The camera should be okay. I'll move it. Yeah, great. So you guys can now see me. Hello. Welcome back to Spoken Essays. I am Harshal and you're watching the live video where I figure out how to code. So without further ado, let's see what we were doing before and continue with it. I'll share my screen immediately. I think you guys can see my screen now. Okay, great. Now I'll also create a split screen view for these two. Come on. Nice. Nicely done. Okay. Yeah, this can be minimized. Oh no. Oh yeah. My computer crashed. So, well, it was lights out. In the previous live video, the lights went out, so I had to. You guys don't need to hear all that, but to quickly do this. Do a split screen now. Great. So the split screen is on. Now this is the quality assurance project. You'll have to log into MongoDB again because why not? And here is the boilerplate project issue tracker. Okay. So we have API routes here, right? Now when I ran this the last time, it said it threw a type error. So let's run this again and see why the type error exists. I'll have to wait for a few seconds. Good. It says API routes is not a function. That means it considers this as a variable. That means, doesn't have to mean anything. I'll open a console and try to see what it returns. Console.log API routes. If there is a type error, that probably means that it's not returning a function. Maybe it's returning a variable's values. So let's see what it returns. First we'll see whatever API routes is printing, and then we'll see what the error is. Okay. Let's wait for a few seconds. Good. We only see this much. Okay, it prints undefined. So that means this require export isn't working. Why? This is inside the roots api.js. Yeah, correct. This returns undefined. Interesting. Why? Okay, let's Google it. Require dot default returns undefined. Node require returns undefined. Okay, you required this, basically dot server dot client, etc, etc. When checking in non-debugger, you get a closure error. Okay. Module.exports is resolving to undefined inside the module that are requiring. Post the code of the failing modules. Okay. Is mine on? Yeah, mine is also module.exports. So this is returning undefined. Okay. What happens when I do this? Doesn't work. The app is already loaded. Okay. It also happens if you require a module that is already included somewhere earlier in the code. The statement is incorrect. Okay. Due to the asynchronous nature of node, the files are not yet required. Require is synchronous. It is correct that module A requires B, which in turn requires A, then A will be undefined in module, but I'm not sure this is the problem. Okay. Keep touching my face. Anyway, you sure that the files what does console log? Okay. I don't need to do that, I already have a variable defined telling me that it's undefined. This is not the problem. Require function in JavaScript is used to import modules. We have a module that has been exported. Let's remove this. Do I need to? Okay. Nothing else is in here that should cause any problems. Nope. Okay, that's correct. What does this blue dot mean? It disappeared. Okay. This is so much better. Okay. Returns undefined, that it means that the module does not have a default export. This could be because the module has not been exported at all, or because it has been exported with a different name. Do I not export it correctly? I do export it correctly. App and my database. This is a function that takes 2 arguments. That is the module. Okay. To fix this, you need to make sure the module is exported correctly. If the module has not been exported at all, then you can export it using the module.exports object. If the module has been exported with a different name, then you can use the export statement to specify the default export. Here are some examples of how to export modules. Exporting a module without a default export. Module.exports function console.log with a default export. Export default function. Calica export default function. Sure. That's what the editor was trying to do. The keyword function has already been added. Exporting a module with a different name. Export function hello. Okay, I should cancel this. Exit please. Now run it. Let's see. Once the module has been exported, you should be able to import it with the required function. It will no longer return undefined. We'll see about that. What happened to you? Don't know. It got stuck, didn't it? Maybe I'll refresh the page. And yeah, that's the DJ in the background, don't worry. This is trying to format. Please format it the way you see fit. Okay. Let's say I want to require export hello as the font. This is taking forever. What happened to the internet? Is the internet working? Yes, the internet speed is surprisingly fast. Huh. Never mind. Yeah. Okay, this was finally formatted. Great. Format this too. Great. Now run this. Yep, that happened. Sorry about that. This is not running. I've stopped it. I'll press Command C a few times just to confirm. Now run it. Great. There's a problem at exactly this keyword, unexpected token export. Hearing unexpected token export, I think someone said use common JS modules. Yeah, I've read this. I have to change this to MJS, change my file name to MJS. Yeah, this is not okay. An official source. We have isotropic. Okay. I love Stack Overflow, but okay. Uncaught syntax error. Is mine also an uncaught syntax error? I mean, it's not uncaught, but it's a syntax error anyway. Is the ES6 module syntax in without types module? What does this sentence mean? Okay. Export class person constructor this dot first. Set the type property to module in our package.json. Mine is not a JSON file. It's a JS file. Huh. What keyword did they say, by the way? Wait, is this JavaScript? Yes. Import this from index.js. Okay, I'm not importing it, I am requiring it. So no. Getting unexpected token export in JavaScript. Okay, fine. Let's visit this website anyway. Return require return. Okay, require returns undefined. This is someone's Darwin April's MacBook Pro, whatever. Okay. We have a constant, an object that stores the letters, whatever. Requires C. Fine. Okay. So we have an A.js file. We have a B.js file. Module.exports equals this B thingy. Okay. Right. And here they have a function. Okay. Now I'm starting to understand what module.exports does. Hmm. This is a default function. Still doesn't explain the error. So 9th line, 19th character. It literally jumps to the 19th character, doesn't it? Don't check. Two programming errors in the code. Nice. It will be undefined in a.js as well. Just set your error. Loading the if you try to invoke c.c. C.js is exporting the function c, that's it. The entire export not see the way we does. Either change c to be consistent with the imports in b.js, or change a.js and b.js to import c.js correctly as its return. C equals export default function abcd whatever. What happens when I do this? Oh, it doesn't have a problem with ABC, it still has a problem with the export. Let's rename view, format, and rename file. What? I can't rename you from here. Can I? Okay. How do I have to open this, don't I? Okay. My.js. Yeah, we'll see. What? Oh, with MJS it has a problem. It doesn't support. Okay. Thank you. Okay, error require of ES module home runner API return. Okay. What? Where is that line? This line. For what? Oh, it's the entire document. So the way the applied require for you is problematic. Wait a minute. It created two files. What? So we use import instead. Fine. We go back. Delete. We still have the API.js file. Somehow. No need for a new tab. Okay. This is still. This will still return an error. Okay. Module dot exports equals. Now we see an underline again. Why? I don't care. Do you have a problem? Okay. I write an anonymous function with an ES6 method. Remove default. Great, at least something happened. We get an anonymous function that is correct. That's what you are, an anonymous function. That means doesn't. Okay, so now it does consider this as a function. That means this should work. Yes, no, it still doesn't do that. Okay. Do I have to write await or something? I don't need to write await at all. Exactly, this doesn't do anything. Yeah. Oh. Get me something, man. Get me something. Doesn't even return a response. Doesn't even return a message. Nothing. If I do this, I understand it doesn't return a JSON here. It should at least return a message in the log. Yeah. I've been stuck with this for a weird amount of time now. Ouch. What do you want? Extract to inner function, narrow function. Extract the function in global scope. Okay. What happened to that? API roots. Oh, it was called here. Acha. Okay. Does that make a difference? Still a function calling another function. I'll be surprised if this works. Didn't work. Nope. Submit. Nope. I don't see any keyword called idiot or anything else for any of the post, get or put requests. Yep, that's happening also. That's also happening in the background, by the way. I think I'll need some help. What is this? Naomi LGBT or Naomi Son? This is the project anyway. Boilerplate project issue tracker. Someone built this. Maybe works, maybe it doesn't work. Let's see their roots. Maybe I'll get an idea. Am I looking at the API.js file? Yes, I am. Is this FCC project issue tracker? Yes, it is. Model.exports equals router. Get post put. Okay, they're using some thing called a router now. Okay. Cool. Issue controller is designed. Okay, is that in mind or did he make that file? They made that file. Where is it? Public controllers. Huh. Does that exist in mine? Nope. Okay. Okay, cool. So they wrote it this way. Wow. 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 Huh. And here I am thinking, right. Anyway, let's look at their server.js file. Maybe I can understand more. I need to understand how they connected with Mongoose. Okay, so they connected with Mongoose this way. Okay. Use, find and modify. Then they have these lines. Come on. Then there's API roots. Oh, come on, I should stop clicking. My bad. This is the root. Then we have the app.use API at API roots. So you did that. So you used it this way. Instead of calling a function, I mean, yes. Wait, they did call a function. How does this get stored in the database, by the way? For that, I think I need to go back to the API page. But maybe I'm starting to get it. What if I use API app.use API roots? This also still doesn't tell me how this guy gets the API. Sorry, how this guy got it to work with a database. I don't see anything mongoose related with API roots. That's where the data comes from. Let's see the api.js file again. One is issue controller and one is express router. One is a get, one is a post, one is a put, and one is a delete. Get, post, put, and delete. The same as mine. Right. Create issue. Okay, these are all functions, I'm guessing. This is the export. Gotcha. And then inside this issue controller, which is in controller, we get all the data. Does this somehow collect the database? How are you sending data to the database if this is not doing anything of that sort? Huh. Interesting. Perhaps issue controller, it's an asynchronous asynchronous anonymous function that takes what? Open ID, issue title, issue text created by assigned to. Okay, that's an object and that's stored as a request.query. Okay. You have models. Now what are models then? Whoever this guy is did some crazy work. Kamchar the king, or I'm not going to attempt to. Okay. Mongoose. This is Mongoose. You created a schema and you stored it in a project. I see. Timestamps. Gotcha. Pretty cool. Let me get some coffee and I'll be right back. And I'll continue with this. This is impressive and crazy at the same time. I'll be right back. Oh, my camera's upside down and I didn't even know. I'll be right back. I'll also look into that. Hello guys, back. I'm back. I'll keep the mouse mic off. I want to figure it out and don't want to waste any more time. Really thought I couldn't finish it, but yeah, yay. Okay, now we can get ahead. Go ahead. We have 2 concurrent viewers. Wow, thank you for watching, by the way. Yeah. Finally. Okay. I don't need to log this to the console anyway, but now I can pass that as a variable. Yay. Now I don't think what happened to you. Yeah, it's okay, I can stop that. Now I don't think I need to do anything further with this. I have MongoDB everything, so I can write find and every other command in here. No need for connection, JS, etc, etc. Yes. Okay. Wait, what was what was this? Acha, let's find out. Issues. Uncomment this. Let's try and insert something to the database. Yeah. Okay, connected to MongoDB. Nicely done. Now, if I press this much and I press submit, I see this. I don't see anything else. That means I have to confirm whether my data was added or not. In here, this says insert 1. Maybe it did, maybe it didn't. I could also have checked here. This is issue tracker issues. I do not see anything in here. So this didn't work. Did this not work? Okay. This is issues, which is you. This. Let's confirm. How shall I confirm? This is that database. You use my database.find1 or my database.insert1. Literally that. I pass request.body. That's an object. The issue. We also have project, but I don't pass that. Why was this not inserted? Let's see what the issue is. I also ask the log to show me what this returns. No message here. I don't see any other tables that were created. Maybe it was created here. There's a better way to find out. With activity, I'll know what happened. Can I resize this? Apparently not. Triggers, search, stream processing, no. Data lake. Was it in database? Yeah, oh sorry, my bad. Activity was some hours ago. 6:25 when I tried to connect. These are connections. We have 3 connections in the last 6 hours. This is read, this is write, I think. Read and write operations, yep. There have been no write operations, so this insert didn't work. Okay. Does my request.body object contain data? Yes, it does. By the way, it also stores a new object ID. When did that happen? When did that appear, by the way? What? That's new even for me. Wait a minute, let's confirm. This printed request.body. Request.body also printed an object ID. Okay. Does this, okay, how do I refresh? Oh, sorry, not you. Browse collections, issue tracker, issues. No write request here. Do I need to create a schema to insert data perhaps? Maybe. Yeah, let's create a schema then. Quite easy to do. I didn't know this existed, so I can write that. For now, I'll comment all of this out. We have request.body. Just print that in the HTML document. Yeah, I need to. Okay. Request.body. Yeah. Or the variable name. Yeah, that's better. Okay. This didn't work. Why? We have a variable called issues and I passed that variable to you. Insert one. Okay, maybe there is a problem with my function command. Insert data to MongoDB. Insert data db.collection.insert1. Okay. Oh. Okay. Yorgos Lanthimos. Oh yeah, the favorite. Yorgos. You guys should check out The Lobster. Quite a movie. Okay, I just wanted to insert a single document. Yes. To insert a single document, what do? Inserts a single document into a collection. Okay. Returns a document containing a boolean acknowledged as true if the operation ran with right, concern or false. If return was disabled, field insert id with the id value of the inserted document. So even this function returns something. I didn't know that. You can use db.collection.sim insert1. Okay, so whatever my database is, database.collection.insert1. Right. DB would be the name of the database. My database is issue_tracking. Do I write it here or here? Interesting. To understand that, I need to log this to the console to see. What it prints really, what I need to write in order to get this to work. Does it need a callback function? Okay, how many arguments does it take? Insert one methods has the following form. This insert one function, it takes a document and then write concern document. Insert one method takes the following parameters: document and write concern. This is optional, so I just need to put a document. Okay. If the document does not specify an ID field, then MongoDB will add the ID field and assign a unique object ID for the document before inserting. Cool. We already have one. Thank you. Is not compatible with document.db.collection.explain. It throws either a write error or write concern error. It did neither. What am I to understand with that? What does the overview say, by the way? What was that? Interesting. I do have a write operation here. Interesting. And the bugs have appeared. Okay. The bugs have appeared. Anyway, Are you the right operation? That's the okay. That's the right operation, and that's the read operation. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Whatever. But this says right has been 0.03, so maybe something was added. Okay, I can't get real time. No problem. Okay. These are connections. I don't want connections. Okay. If I go to my collections and I see database user, oh interesting. It's connecting to database users because I did not change the word database and users. Ouch and ouch. Issue tracker. Issues. The weirdest mistake ever. Huh. Okay. Now whatever I add will be added to the issues. Very good. Great. I haven't defined a schema. What do I need to submit to the database? All of this basically. Whenever I'm writing a post, I'm creating an entry, a document in the database, right? Submitting an issue means creating a new document. Insert a new document, inserting a new document, creating a new document. Okay. So not only do I want to create this, but I would also like to add something to it. What? Okay, what do we need to add? What do we already have and what do we need? This is already created by this was already designed by freeCodeCamp. Open is supposed to be by default true by default. Okay. How to append key value pairs in an object JS. Most common. Oh yeah. Okay, I remember now. Okay, gotcha. We're going to use dot notation. That's perfect. Yes, I know what I'm going to do now. This is easy. What does this green light bulb say? Inner function, etc. Okay. Yeah. Request.body equals request.body dot what? What variables do we not have? To confirm which variables we don't have, I would like it to print request.body for confirmation. How many console logs do we have? Console 7 logs. That error log is okay. Error log, connected log. Yes, this can be removed now. I understood my mistake. Console log, your app is listening. Yeah, that's okay. Running tests. That's okay. Okay. Right. Cool. In the log or response, in the log please. Console.log the issue. Oh, it's going to be a lot of mosquitoes. Okay. Just stop. What is this? Start please. Cool, connected to MongoDB and I can see this. Cool. Whatever I write now will be submitted and shown here. This interestingly did not show me the ID variable anymore. Why not? Who knows? Why not? This doesn't include that ID variable anymore. Why? What if I ask console to print it after the insert command? What happens then? What happens then? I wonder. And I wonder if you know what it means. And I wonder if you know what it means. What it means. Okay. I've been waiting for this my whole life. And I wonder if you know what it means. Wait. Maybe it takes a little bit of time to connect to MongoDB. When I submit this, now we get a new object ID that was created because of insert. Nice. Cool. Finally, something. We get the ID object. Nice. Not ID object, ID key value pair. Pretty cool. Okay. So not only does that do. Oh, that is so cool. That is very cool indeed. That means if I submit an issue here, can I refresh? Now I would have received something without an ID, but wait, it created an object ID this way, 6509 AEF, 6509 AEF, 6509 AEF, 25CBF8. Okay, these are different. Cancel and cancel. Of course, but one was created before, one was created now. FFB GDF, it has the ID object. Anyway, cool. So we have ID, issue title, issue text created by assigned to and status text. What do we need? Let's find out. Actually, I don't need that. Wait, sorry. Request body dot whatever is how we do it. What variables do you need? Okay, let's confirm. Let's see. We have an ID. Okay, and we have issue title, issue text, created. Okay, we need created on. Good. Okay. So created on is what? Current date in this format. UTC. So new date object. What does this return, by the way? It's a constructor. 4 overloads. Cool. Next, created on and updated on. When we first create it, we are updating it, so it would be a new date object. So created on and updated on shall stay the same. That is if we are showing the updated on variable when we ask it to return. Okay, with an API test. To confirm, what is this? This is the test. To confirm, I'll fill some data in their project. Okay. Submit issue on API test. Title ABC, this. When I submit, data gets submitted. We get all of this data. What does this say? Assigned to, yes. We already got assigned to. Status text. Open true. Okay, so open as is supposed to be true, a boolean value. Oh no, sorry. Supposed to literally hold true. Literally, yeah. This will be open. Cool. The ID will be created. Issue title is a variable in it. Okay. Issue text is here. created by is also here. Created on, I created it, and updated on, because it was created at the same time, so we get this. This is date in this format. To find out how to get this format, return this format, I'll open a new tab and open Google Chrome's console. Tell me a new date object, what you return. If I write this, then you return this. Okay. If I write 2 UTC, then it returns what? It has a type error. 2 UTC is not a function. Okay. 2 UTC returns undefined. Okay. Because this is not correct. This needs to be 2 UTC string, and we get this data. Okay. Suppose I will use this new data object dot to UTC string to date string. Interesting. What's that mean? Acha. Huh. Okay, to locale date string, locale to time string. What does that do? Oh, we'll get. Okay. Yeah, I would like to UTC string, please. Okay. What was this for? We have created on, updated on, open, update, and what was this for? Created, updated, assigned to, status, open, ID, issue, title. Why did I add this line? I'll comment this out first. Confirm. How do I confirm? I'll ask it to print. Come on, did I really remove that line again? Fine. Fine. I'll keep that for now. I'll comment it out if I don't need it. The underscore issue. Cool, I'm connected to MongoDB. When I submit an issue with this data, some data will also be added, which is 3 more key value pairs. When I submit, this much will be sent. Let's confirm. I won't worry about the order. We have an ID object. We have an object that stores the ID, issue title, issue text, created on. Okay, this says created on, this is created by. Wait, created on says this. This string isn't looking the same as this. I probably know why. Fine. Then we have updated on, the same as this. Then we have open, which is true, and we have status text, which is this. Okay. And created by, where is created by? Joe, assigned to, created by, and assigned to. Cool. So I have the data. Yeah. Coolio. This line not needed. Let's confirm again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 3 6 and 9. Yeah, that's correct. Okay. Now this data looks this way because that's how I asked it to return data. That's okay. That's how it's returning data in that format. This is it's in string. It's a string. Okay. What if I only want it to be in UTC but not a string? Yeah, I know. These cases will kill me. Let's run this anyway without 2 UTC. Started yet? Yes. Okay. Let's get the URL. HTTPS secure. I'll fail most tests. Let's see. Apparently not many. Oh, it's still running. Achha. Let's wait then. I'm sure it will have printed hello idiot or some idiots for some time. Idiot put. Yep. Yeah. Let's confirm. While these tests are running, also find ways to edit data. Find the one and edit or something. Find and edit in Mongo. The official docs should tell me the source. Find and modify. Yes, that's it. Find and modify is the function for, I think, update. To update an issue, we'll use this. Cool. To delete an issue, basically we're deleting a document with an ID. Quite easy to do. What happens when we do it? What are we supposed to return? Okay, I have an ID here. If I paste this ID, deleting an issue might be the easiest thing. Yeah, apparently yes. Let's do that. Are you done, by the way? Yes, it's done. Yeah, cool. Well, yeah, I'll revisit them. We're not doing anything really. Well, we are doing a lot of things. To delete a database, find and delete. Find one and delete. Yeah, I think that's the one. Find one and delete. So issues dot find one, is it? Yeah, can be case. Find one and delete. Yep. Delete what? Oh, I need to. We're still getting that risk. Oh, come on. Oh yeah, I'm getting the response, right? So request dot body dot id. Yes, I think so. To confirm, let's first confirm. Request dot body, what do you return? It also tried to write a get command, by the way. Interestingly. Huh. Yeah, very interesting. Okay. Do I have any ID is okay. When I click on that, we get an error and this dies. Good. Why? Probably because of this line, maybe. Let's confirm. What line? Filter must be an object Mongo invalid argument. In which line, by the way? Find one and delete. Probably. Root.js. Mine is api.js. Okay. We have router. We have root. Find one and delete. Yes, it has a problem with api.js. 50th line, 14th character. Yeah, sorry. Let's continue without that error. Now we did not send that get request, by the way. Paste any ID really. Ouch, my bad. Cool. So request.body only contains an object that stores ID. Cool, gotcha. So I can basically write request.body dot underscore ID, and that will get the job done. Find one and delete. Oh wait, find one, does it need 2 arguments? Filter, what the filter is? My filter is the ID. Method takes the following parameters. This is the filter, the selection criteria for relation, the same query. What does it delete? By the way, confirm deletes a single document based on the filter and sort criteria. This is optional, this is optional. All the other arguments are optional except for filter. Cool. Yeah, back to this. I shall write response.json. What? You respond with a document, an object. Wait, I've already copied that much, so you respond with an object. I think that's good formatting. Okay, we have a result that says successfully deleted. The ID says this. How do we confirm whether something was deleted? With MongoDB. To find that out, we have to see what this returns. Okay, returns the deleted document. Interesting. Okay, that means let abc be you. Show me in the console, show me in the log what abc looks like. If I can do that, I don't need to do it, but I want to find out whether this is possible. If it doesn't find such an ID, what will it do? To first do that, let's create an ID. Fix bug, do this, do that. So we've created a document to MongoDB. I can see that here. Cool, we have its data. Now I shall copy its ID and paste it here and see if it deletes that data. It returns an error and it dies. Good. Why did you do that? It returned a promise. Oh, that means I have to await. Okay, it returned a promise. What does it say? Mongo invalid argument error. Argument filter must be an object. Oh, I can do that. Cool. If that's the only problem, then request.body will do. Okay, let's stop it first and wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Run. Chal. Nice. Cool. I already have a data, an ID. Let's confirm. Any existing ID will do, I think. This one, let's try and delete this one. I haven't added the await variable keyword, by the way. Oh, not here, sorry. Delete this issue. Okay, we get a pending promise, but this works. So somehow I have to make this asynchronous. Can't write await. I can't write await without making you asynchronous. Oof. Let's see how fast this is. Cool, it's connected to MongoDB. Wait, this might have been erased now. This 6509, and at the end it's DD5, 1DD5. Does such a combination exist anywhere? 1DD5, 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 1DD5. Nope. Okay. Refresh. 1DD5 still exists. 5. Did it work or did it not work? Find one and delete. 1DD5. We have DD, DFV, RF. Okay, maybe I'll create something meaningful and then delete that. Hello, HEELO, by the way. HELLO, HLLO, HELO, HALO, Halo. Okay, so we've done that. How long does it take to write that to the database? Let's say I wait for a few seconds. Cool. Do I see hello? Okay, I do see that. This is the ID. Is this the same ID as this? To confirm, I'll use find and press enter. Yeah, it is the same. I'll also use command F. Yes, that is correct. Cool. So command F worked. Now I'll press delete issue. We get this object. Last error object, etc., etc. Timestamp this, that. By the way, now this is created on and updated on, stored this way. I don't care. Anyway, okay. Last error object. Cool. So it returned this. I don't have any use for you, so I don't need to store this in a variable. I don't need that. Okay. I think we've successfully. Oh no. My bad. I also need to ask it to successfully delete the specific ID and not you. ID request.body.id. Cool. So this should work now. I don't know what this is, what purpose this serves, but we'll look into that later. Okay. So let's see the tests. It says what? The post request to API issues project name, okay, which is this. You will return the created object and must include all of the submitted fields. Excluded optional fields will be returned as empty strings. Okay, additionally include created on, updated on, and open, which is boolean, false for closed, etc. Okay. Does that mean if I fill the status in QA? Okay. So why am I not passing this test? To confirm, I'll go to the first issue it causes a problem with. This is that, but this doesn't tell me the error. So if I scroll down, test completed console output. Expected an object with 8 items to have property status text. So did I forget status text somehow? For which error is this? I have no clue. This is anyway. Status text. Status text is not in here. Oh, are you kidding me? Okay. To confirm what this is saying, I'll write this much. Created by. I'll keep the optionals empty. When I write this, what do we get? I get empty empty strings. What's the problem then? The post request to API issues whatever the project name is, will return the created object. Yes. Okay, and must include all of the submitted fields. Yes. All of the submitted fields. So if I wrote submitted fields, yes, so all 3 of them should exist. It should be in here. I think I did a good job with that. DFVD is here, DF is here, and DFFV is also here. Also are assigned to and status text, both of which are empty. We also have created on, which is the same. Yeah. This is boolean, so it's supposed to be true. Am I maybe supposed to make it a string? No, it's boolean. Okay. Is there a type error? No, I don't know. Cool. This is a string. This is a string. String, and string. Cool. Open is a boolean, so we get true, nothing else. Then we have an ID, which is a string. It creates a new object ID, but I see a string here. Yeah, coolio. We get issue title. Now mine is DF. I can see that's a string. Yeah, even the date object returns a string. What seems to be the problem? I don't know. How do we find out? Do I need to write it in the format they expect me to? I mean, that's not a well-formed sentence. Am I really supposed to do this? Yowza. I didn't even need to create a schema. Of course, I didn't need to create a schema because I used it this way. Why is this not? Okay, let's see. Will return the created object and must include all of the submitted fields. Excluded optional fields will be returned as empty strings. Yes, that's correct. We do return. Additionally, include created on. Maybe there is a typo. Created underscore on. created underscore on. That is correct. Oh, it returns a date object but not as a string. Maybe that's what's causing the problem. But interestingly, here it returns date as a string. However, okay, I can solve that quite easily. To string. If it's because of UTC, I would be very much surprised. Okay, to string. Date to string, so it converts that into a string basically. Yeah, cool. Date comma slash slash date or time. Updated on will also be date or time. Open will be a boolean. Do we have the keyword open? Yes, we do. Here it is. Request.body.open. For open, default value, false for closed, and ID. Yes. Yeah, it creates that ID variable by itself. Let's run these variables again. I will run these challenges again quite fast. Let's see. Still has a problem, you can see here. I don't know what the problem is until I wait for it to finish all the subject. But I think delete should work now. This is done. Still don't pass this. Fine. Okay, you can send a post request with form data containing the required fields and optionally this. Okay, cool. I still don't pass this. Why is it so? This says this. Do we have status text somehow? Wait a minute. When it ran its tests, it didn't work this way. Okay. Because I'm passing issues as a variable, however these are not. Because FCC testing routes will experience errors. Wait a minute, let's confirm. This is the FCC testing.js. That's one of the routes as well. So if I go to API.js and FCC testing, this should also store their database. fs.read file server.js. If error, return this. Response.send data to string. This is how their tests run. So they're checking the API.js file. Node env. Whatever. I still don't know why this error exists. Error expected created by FCC to have property error. अब उस पे भी जाएंगे, don't worry. That's probably for the put requirement, or maybe something else. I'll confirm again. Where did it go? Is it here? Is it here? Nope. I can close these two files. This is where the issue tracker is. Let's create another issue. Submit Coolio. So we have this data now, right? And the same way, I'll also create some data here. Sorry. I submit this data. I should see an object. Coolio. I get an object. Cool. What do you do? So we have assigned to. Yes. We have status text. Cool. Open is true. That is correct. ID. This is a new object ID which stores a string. Here we also get a string. Maybe the problem is within a new object ID. Anyway, then we have issue title. Mine is FBGH whatever. What's yours? Oh, by the way, it printed. Right. Let's go one by one. What is issue title? Where is issue title? It's here. Okay. Created by is here. Created on is also here. Now it prints this coordinated universal time. It's just crazy. I don't know why it did that, how it did that, but it did that. Yeah, this is interesting. I don't think I tampered with the toString function call. Okay. And we also have updated on at the end. And where is updated on? This is where it is. Cool. ID, did I miss ID? No, I did not miss ID. ID is here. Cool. Coolio. Okay. So I don't know what's real and what's not real anymore. Haha. Anyway. Prepare some, I think, yeah, my throat's getting dry. I'll get some water, fetch some water. I'll be right back with you guys. Don't worry. Don't go anywhere. Oh, apparently. Oh, we have 3 viewers. Thank you.